January 22nd, 2025, the day after Trump's inauguration. And this morning it started to snow. This is like 30 minutes ago it started. Look how cute. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. It's like a pretty winter wonderland. Be an interesting spring for the foliage and the plants. Beautiful cinnamon trunk. That's some Natchez white crepe myrtles. Backdrop of snow. Hard and fast now. Incredible. There's ice on here. It is 6:48 a.m. January 21st. And like the Democrats said, Trump will win when hell freezes over. Well, Trump was inaugurated yesterday, and I guess hell froze over. So this will give all those assholes something to crow about today. This is great. This has only been going on 30 minutes. This is just getting started. Look how fun. Look at that, they're cute. The little birds have been underneath the staircase huddling from everything. So yeah, this is going to be going on all day. It's actually going to intensify. It's beginning to intensify right now. The winds are picking up from the north. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas now. Hey, Munchkin! Isn't that beautiful? Look at it all in here. Good gosh, this is 30 minutes of snowing. Look at her car. Oh, look how cute it is. Puffy, puffy, puffy. Whew, my fingers are cold. Look at that. I mean, this just started. I mean, this is 30 minutes worth of action. Whew. It is cold as shit out here. January 22nd, 2025. And it's 8:11 a.m. Look at that, huh? Look. Beautiful. I think it's 26 degrees right now. This just started about an hour ago. Look how beautiful. Coming down good. You get the angels in the snow today. Look how pretty. Another one for the books. Look at an interesting spring. Ooh, take a run off to the other side here real quick. There we go. My fingers are getting cold. That's where we are. The wind is coming from the north. Good. Look at it. Ooh, yeah. Even our cars have snow on them. This is going to intensify during the day. Snow down there. Look, that's packing up. The planets are aligned. Most people can see Uranus. There's 7 planets aligned this week and today. What else? Donald Trump won a second term, which is incredibly fantastic. And hell froze over, and it's a great day. Yeah, this is fantastic. January 21st, about 8:20 in the morning. Look how thick it is. That's nice. Look, that's a couple of inches thick there. Look at it all. What's he doing? Blowing off his camper. This is the lake behind the where we live. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all that, huh? It looks so Christmassy now. Lovely, absolutely beautiful. Stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Look how it's just blowing in. The wind is picking up heavily from the north. In the last hour, it's probably going an increase in 8 miles an hour. And it's steady picking up. These are cars that are undercover. That's how it's blowing in so far. Quite amazing. Beautiful. This will make for a very interesting spring. some more snow. The wind was picking up earlier, heavily from the north, and it kind of subdued, but it brought the temperature down. Now it's like 24 degrees. It was 26 a little bit ago. But the snow is just steady coming down. Pretty, very beautiful. Well, this would have been cute for Christmas. Now the wind's picking up again. Look how fast the snow is blowing. Look how it's coming down now. Wow. That's intense now. The truck. Wow, look at that. How thick it is. It's beautiful.